relationships coach, and I help growth-minded people who want to grow in their careers. Today, I am doing a workshop on networking skills and relationship building. See, we need to understand that many of us have got the requisite qualification and experience, but yet at certain point in time we get stuck. Why? Is it knowledge? Is it skill? Is it behavior? Is it attitude? Is it mindset? What is it? So important is obviously your mindset, your attitude on doing things, coupled with, as research shows, that we need to be very effective in networking and relationship building. So this workshop is, how do you network? What are the ways to network? How do you do an online, offline networking? What are the tools available in those networks? How you are currently with respect to assessment on those networks, and how do you build relationships? Thank you very much. God bless.
Jan 2022 batch, and I'm just coming out of relationship building and networking workshop. I'm so glad I made it to this workshop. There were a lot of learnings. I knew a lot of stuff, but now I realize there's so much more to learn and practice. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Praveen Patel. I work from aicte Limited, it's global MNC company. Thank you, Welingkar, for inviting me for this workshop. I am very grateful for this opportunity. Thank you so much.